A long-term care nursing home under scrutiny after two unbelievable incidents.
Yeah, a woman who is disabled raped and giving birth to a child there. Then the reports of maggots on a person's breathing tube. Many have been questioning how this place is even still open.
Tonight only on ABC15, we go inside the walls of Hacienda Healthcare. ABC15 investigator Sonu Wasu has been working on the story and joins us from the facility.
The first thing you'll notice when you walk into Hacienda's intermediate care facility is the security. Staff here tell me they have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars to secure this building since January. They've hired a director of security. Every visitor who comes in now has to stop at this check-in kiosk, present an ID and phone number, get their picture taken, then get a badge. The first rooms you'll see right as you walk in are what are known as the day rooms. In here you will find patients hooked up to breathing tubes, feeding tubes, and in wheelchairs. Today they're enjoying a game of bowling in one room. In another, playing with a colorful parachute. I'm told what looks like fun and games is actually helping these patients develop motor and sensory skills. One of the 34 residents here is Jacob Strobel, born intellectually disabled. His family tells me they left New York to come to Arizona just so they could admit their son into Hacienda. What made you pick Hacienda?
Its reputation.
A reputation that has taken a big public hit since the rape of a severely disabled woman. Alan and Tammy Strobel tell me they were just stunned when they heard a nurse at the facility had been arrested and charged with the horrible crime.
To find out that somebody had been violated in such a manner and actually carried to term and delivered was very upsetting. You know, we were concerned and we came up here because we wanted to see for ourselves. We asked what has changed, why did this happen?
We asked Perry Petrilli, the interim CEO of Hacienda, to go on camera today. Petrilli declined, saying he did not want this story to be about him, but he was willing to answer our questions. Petrilli tells us staff took the rape of a patient as the ultimate violation. They felt violated as well. Staff here have faced death threats. That is why they removed the big sign outside the facility. Petrilli says police detectives and state health inspectors now show up unannounced. They are under intense scrutiny, but he says they welcome the prying eyes and the questions. This family tells me they too come often to see their son.
We never tell them we're coming here. They don't clean them up for us. He's always like this. He's always well kept.
Talking to nurses here, we repeatedly heard them stress they care about every patient in their care. They feel they should not be judged by the actions of one nurse accused of a horrible crime. So how does a woman get raped in a facility with so many caregivers? Petrilli says it comes down to diligence. Staff are now checking on patients every 15 minutes, something former employees say was not being done before. The facility's state license and Medicare contract are still in jeopardy, with hearings scheduled within the next few weeks, and Hacienda Healthcare still trying to clear its name. Sonu Wasu, ABC15, Arizona.
And staff tells us a handful of patients have asked to move out. The state and the facility respected their wishes and helped transfer them to another facility.